everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 685 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Fluide. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this brand. I tried looking it up online and it's spelled like fluid in French, and the pronunciation videos that I watched were like Fluide. Was that good? But so, this is the liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Bar, and this is from my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bags Ultimate Box. And the products that I've tried out so far from my Ultimate Box have been amazing. I'm really happy with my box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of it, I will have that video linked down below. But so this is supposed to be a universally flattering shade, which I'm very intrigued by because looking at it, it's not the type of shade that I would choose for myself or that I would think would look good on me. That just makes me so much more excited to try it out. It's also supposed to be long-lasting and non-drying, which I am all about. If a lipstick can last through eating and drinking, then I love it. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. So this sounds awesome. When I was looking up this company a little bit more, I think it's supposed to be very inclusive, which I really love. I think that's such a great value for the company to have. But so without further ado, let me start out by swatching this. I am dying to see what this color is like. It has a doe foot applicator. Ooh, it's nice. I mean, it looks like a mix of like a rose and a brown and a nude, and ooh, it has that delicious, sweet vanilla scent. With a name like Candy Bar, I would want it to have a nice, yummy scent to it, and it really does. Oh my gosh, this just ignited my sweet tooth. It makes me really want like sugar cookies. Oh, delicious. I can't stop smelling it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, it's swatched really nicely, high pigment. So let's see how it looks on my lips. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned that this has a retail value of $16, which is kind of pricey in my opinion, but it's not so crazy expensive that if this is a great quality product and I really like the formula, that I would still spend $16 on a lipstick that's worth it. So let's find out. Ooh, this is so easy to apply. It kind of goes on like paint, like it's a pretty thin formula and it doesn't dry down right away even though it is matte. So I really like the application of this. Okay, well, what do you think? Does it look flattering on me and my coloration? I actually think it does. Like, I am very surprised by how flattering this shade is on me, because I have my tiny little mirror here that I was applying it with, and all I could see in the mirror were my lips, and I was like, okay, I'm really anxious to see how it's going to look with all of my face in view, and it looks so much better than I was expecting. I feel like it makes my green eyes pop. It's flattering to my skin tone. This just kind of changed my entire lipstick perspective. Like, I never thought that a brown dark shade could look good on me, and I really like this. I actually feel so comfortable in it, confident. Like, I would wear this out and feel like I looked really good, whereas before I probably wouldn't have thought that I'd feel comfortable in this shade. But it's like, thanks to Ipsy and to this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, I'm discovering new colors, new products that I am very pleasantly surprised by, that I never would have tried out otherwise. But okay, aside from the color, which clearly I'm very happy with, I'm also so impressed by this formula. It's completely dried down to a matte finish, but it's not like a dry matte. It does kind of show the lines in my lips, but not in like a chapped looking type of way. It looks still smooth and flattering on my lips. Now let's see if there's any transfer. No transfer. I love that. I feel like this is not going to budge at all. But then amazingly enough, even though it's dried down and it's fully matte, it doesn't feel uncomfortably dry on my lips. And I have very dry lips to begin with. So they were right when they said that this is a non-drying matte liquid lipstick. It's so comfortable. I'm also really happy with how this lip color looks really good with my makeup look where I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, but I also keep thinking that this would look so good with like some brown, gold, copper eyeshadow look. I feel like that would look so pretty for a nice going out, classy look. I really want to try that out. So if you've tried this lipstick out, let me know in the comments down below if you thought that the shade worked for you, because they say it's supposed to be universally flattering, and now that I have it on, I truly believe that it is. But I'd be really curious to hear your thoughts. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.